Yes, people, what is happening? Do you remember this? Do you remember 2 years ago, or just under 2 years ago, I bought a Subaru Impreza Wrx and it is still, unfortunately, sitting in front of me. And today is, we've done a lot of talking over the years and over the time I've been on the channel, but today, this is the last time you're going to see it because it's definitely going. You haven't saw me for 2, 3, 4 months, and I want to say hope you had a good Christmas, hope you had a good start to the year. And for me personally, I've had a massive mindset shift, and I just basically needed to switch it up. So I thought if there's no good content coming this way, then I need to like just shut off, just switch off and just stay away, because I felt like I was boring you kind of thing. So obviously on this channel I kind of be a bit too honest, and I think that can bore people that are not following the journey, that are just interested in a quick video. But we have got the Subaru Impreza that is nearly finished, but she's got to go. You can see, yeah, the Subaru is pretty much nearly done, apart from a little bit of alignment here. It is pretty good. It's been sitting here now for about 12 months, I reckon. I think since I moved it there to put it on there, it's been sitting here for about 12 months. Basically, long story short is, I'm just fed up of spending money on cars and it actually not working. So I know the Mini, the last time you saw the Mini, it was getting took away, and the Subaru was just sat here like an ornament. It's been sitting here for 2 years, and I really appreciate my missus that this car's been sitting here for 2 years and I've done absolutely nothing with it. I got to the point where I was like, I'll just ring the scrap man and I'll get the scrap man to just pick it up. Like, I've learned from it, I've lost a hell of a lot of money on it, and it's just one of those things in life, you make mistakes, and as long as you don't make the same mistake again, then I think we're all good. So I went to go get a battery in the last video, which was I think around November time, and basically I said I need to buy a new battery, and if I'm honest with you, it killed me to spend 55 quid on this car. Like, in my head I just want it gone. My neighbour was even interested in it, and I was like, I don't want you to have it, because then it moves from here to across the road and I can still see the thing. So I just want it gone now. Whether it's 113,000 miles, I need to check because I haven't started it in a long time. So I'm just like, is it worth anything to anyone? I know Jesse Collingham posted a thing saying he was interested in a sporty-ish car, like a project, but realistically, the amount it'll cost to fix, it's not worth that. I've spent way more than what the car was initially worth on the car, and then I've tried to buy parts for it. I reckon the parts I've paid for would have bought the car over, and it's just like, it's not worth any more for me. I've got to get the front end sprayed, the door sprayed, and it's just like, I don't even know if there's anything else wrong with it, because I've literally drove it from the path to the drive, and it's like, it's, for me personally, my head's out of it. Like, even the Mini, the only reason my head's still in the Mini is because that holds like £9,000 of my money, and it's just like, I love doing this, I love working on cars, and but at the end of the day, I'm missing time with my family now. I've got a little baby, and two, it's not actually benefiting me. Like, yes, I get to create a video, which I really enjoy. Like, it's the first time I've had my camera out in months, and it's like, what's it doing for me? Like, do you know what I mean? If it was pushing me in the right direction, I'd absolutely love it, but that's enough for like this chat and that. But yeah, we need to get the Mini finished, and I think the reason my absence is I need to take a different trajectory on the channel, because I love it, but I need it to be going in the right direction. For me to go, babe, I'm not going to see the little man straight away when I get home from work, we're going to work on a project. It has to be worth it, because that little boy and the missus are like the best thing ever. And it's like, to do a video and lose money and you just keep putting money in. If you had a big hole in the floor and you were throwing 20 quid in, 20 quid in, 20 quid in, be like, what am I doing? You know what I mean? Like, I love the Megane. I think Megane was my favourite. The Teg I thought was going to go well, but it went there, but it took that long to do. I think the novelty wore off it, to be honest. But got a battery in the boot. I'm not keeping the battery on this time. I'm just going to start it up. I think I need to put some coolant in it, because I don't think there's any water or coolant in it. So I'm going to just fill it up, and I just want to run it and just make sure this thing starts, because I'm going to list it on eBay as, I don't even know, what do I list it as? Do I list it as spares and repairs? Do I list it as breaker? Like, you know what I mean? So yeah, hopefully this video will go live, and then shortly after it will, the eBay ad will go live. So yeah, let's chuck the battery in. So the battery's on, we're temporarily connected. What I'm not going to do is I'm not going to keep the battery on, because apparently that's how you kill your battery. So let's stick the key in and pray she starts. She should do. Right then, let's stick the key in the ignition. More, see, we've done 115,000 miles. I need to get on the clutch. Head up. Right, so we're not in gear, yeah? 3, 2, 1, ready? Turn the heaters off, all that jazz. Ready? Woohoo! She fires up. Hey! Superb. Right, so there she is. She started, she's running. She's actually got up to temperature, and she's been running for about 5 or 10 minutes or so. And it's not even like bled properly, so she ran sweet last time and that, so, and there's no oil or coolant or anything on the floor, so it must be sound. Initially was because I thought, you're only as good as your equipment and stuff like that. And so when I was doing cars on and off, I was buying a Milwaukee this, Milwaukee that, Milwaukee this Action 5 Pro camera. I bought the microphones, I bought an auto scanner, and it's like I spent all this money on investment, and it just, I think the core base needs to be working right. And obviously this car, I don't want to spend any more money on it. This is why I'm selling it as it is, because I just don't want to invest any more money that I'm not going to get back, do you know what I mean? And obviously the Mini, I'm not too sure what's going to happen with that. I'm hoping we can fix that. I might even have to daily it for a bit because of some circumstances that are changing in the background. So I do actually need a car for a bit. So the bike's all good and well, but there's quite a few things that are potentially developing, not on a YouTube side of things, but there's a lot of things that I'm hoping to try and orchestrate over it. Whether we buy just a car just to get about to work in and we just tootle and sort out that, I don't know, but I really miss you lot on here and the comments and stuff. But yeah, it's a shame, man, that it kind of went down this road. It felt like, as I always mention, money, and just I was spending more than what I was getting back, and it's like it's took its toll. And now I'm just like, I do want to do this, but I don't, if that makes sense. So whether we change journey, which is why I did some tech stuff, but it was half-hearted attempts and that. So yeah, if anyone has any clues, any ideas, any help, I know obviously making the videos better, but I think we need to start at the base, and then once the base is correct, then I think the rest will all to and flow. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed this little catch-up / update. We are going to do a little update on the Mini in its current state, show you what we've spent on it, how much is left to spend on it, why you potentially shouldn't buy crash damage stuff. Not that that's even crash damage because it's unrecorded, but yeah, hope you all enjoyed this one, and I'll speak to you on the next one. So peace.